Welcome back, guys, to another trucking vlog. It's a hot day outside. It's Tuesday, I believe, today. And I am in Lexington, Kentucky right now. It is 6 o'clock right now, and I have a relay that I gotta pick up from here at the truck stop that I am at, and then I gotta take that up to Chicago, deliver that at 4 a.m. Central Time. So I got a little while to go until the guy comes to bring my load here. So in the meantime, I'm probably gonna go inside and take a shower and get ready for a long night. So it's like 5 hours to Chicago, so not too bad. But yeah, man, I haven't recorded in a couple days. I am here at the headquarters at the corporate in Granger, Iowa, just outside of Des Moines, Iowa. I'm getting a new truck. Well, actually already got it. It is here. It's not a new truck. To be honest, I knew what was coming. It's newer than this one, but it already has 400,000 miles, so that's not that new. It's clean though, like super clean. Yeah, they duped me. They were like, "Oh, you're gonna get a new truck." Yeah, right. Not true. So, yeah, no, I gotta get all my stuff out of this truck into that truck, which is not gonna be fun because I have a lot of stuff. I don't know why. I have like so many stuff. Just bunch of stuff all over the place. Then I gotta clean this truck and then organize that truck. So, not fun. Well, I better get to it. Almost done with it. I got a couple more stuff in the fridge and somewhat. Pretty much got majority of stuff. I got clean the truck next, take that trash out. I got suitcase up there that I need to get it out, and then empty the fridge and put this thing up here. Supposed to go there. It's like glue or like a sticky thing, but it kept on falling off, so I just took the whole thing down. I was probably not supposed to, but oh well. Now the fun part starts. All that. Gotta find a place. See, that was my microwave. I bought that microwave because it's bigger, and the one I had in my other truck that came with it, it was broken. So I had to buy my own. So I took it out of there, even though this one has one. It's smaller. So I'm gonna replace it with mine. I'm not looking forward to putting all this stuff away. I'm tired and hungry. I want to go to bed. But I don't got a bed to sleep on, so. It is Monday, the next week. It was a pretty busy weekend. Did a lot of work around my house, clearing around my house, a lot of landscaping, and then went to the race on Sunday, yesterday. So this week's video is gonna be pretty short. Didn't really do a whole lot recording wise. It was a pretty slow week. Last week it was pretty a lot of like miles and stuff, and the past week it was kind of iffy. Didn't really do a whole lot, but right now I was supposed to start like 30 minutes ago. Got to my truck, and I forgot to completely shut off the whole power system in the truck because I need power for my fridge, because I had food in there, but this is the new truck and the battery got drained out, so they canceled my load that was going up to Wisconsin. So right now I'm just waiting for somebody to come and jump start the truck, and then I don't have a load right now, so just gotta wait and see what's next. I can't really blame them. It was somewhat my fault. Actually, it was entirely my fault. They did tell us to, like, if we're gone for a long time, to shut the power off because it will start to drain. But I didn't do that. So it's my fault. But I'm gonna end this week's video right here. Once again, I appreciate all the likes and just subscribers. Yeah, just thank you guys for watching my videos. If you guys want different ideas or whatever, just give me a comment or something. Reach out on Instagram. Whatever kind of videos you guys want to see from Truck Driver. And yeah, share the videos if you guys can. I am trying to reach to 100 subscribers before this summer ends. So with all that being said, I will see you guys next Monday. Until then, peace.